So we're going to start by putting 1 cup of water with 1 cup of salt. And Benjamin, since you're so nicely raising your hand, would you like to come up and do that? So here, you hold this. And I'm going to pour.
Oil! My hand smells like oil.
Alright, and we're going to put 1 cup of salt in.
It's going to make potion.
And then what do you think is going to happen?
I don't know.
What do you think the mix will look like once we mix them together? Yemisi, thank you for raising your hand.
Salty.
It's going to look very salty. What does that look like?
It's going to look like snow. Yeah. Oh, it's going to look like it.
Alright, you want to give it a mix? Gently?
I know. It's going to disappear. It's disappearing.
It is disappearing. Do you know what that's called?
Can I do the flour?
Not disapparating, although that's also a very good word for something else. Yes. In a moment. Gemma, do you know what that's called?
It's turning. Apparating?
No, it's called dissolving.
I placed my hand actually to do the next thing.
I'll call on someone who's sitting nicely and quietly to do the next thing. Alright, I'm going to move that bowl so we can get these out of the way. So the next step we will do in a minute, but I would like you on your sheet, on the line at the bottom next to number 2, it says, what do you see when the water and the salt are mixed together? So could you write what you see? Alright, Jen, you want to be at the bottom of this one? Move.
What?
On these lines. Can you write what you see or what you and I'm going to put this in the middle so you can get a good look.
I see. Now can we use the flour? Oh, the flour.
Snow. Wonderful. Alright, so now Sophia, could you come up and put the oil in? So you're going to hold this and we're going to do 2 tablespoons of oil. So we're going to do 2 of these. Hold it all the way over so we don't spill it. Alright, tip that one in.
It's turning yellow.
And we're going to tip 2 in.
It looks like yummy eggs.
So now what do you notice about this?
Can I mix it?
Wait, let's look first, because remember Yemisi said something about putting oil and water together earlier. And what do you see as it happens?
It looks like the eggs.
You'll mix it in a moment. We're going to look at it first.
Nope.
So what does it look like? What's the oil doing? Is it mixing?
No. It looks like a big egg.
Where is it? Is it under the water or is it on top? Yemisi, what is it you said earlier about when you put oil in water?
The oil is back up. It looks like...
No, it's alright. I'm going to put it over here. Thank you. Do you want to give it a mix?
Can I give it a mix?
Yes, you may.
I said it looks like a giant egg.
There you go. Leave it
When
there.
it wasn't mixed together, it looks like a giant egg. I see yellow water.
And Benjamin, you want to smell it? You want to make a smell observation? What does it smell like?
It looks like yellow water.
Wonderful, thank you. Do you want to give it a smell, Gemma?
It smells like oil.
Yeah, well that makes sense because there's oil in it. Do you smell any of the salt?
No.
No?
This smells like my mom's oil one.
True, I smell oil.
Can you put a picture?
We'll do a picture at the end once we're done all
Done.
this. You want to give it a smell?
Oil. It smells cool. It smells so interesting. How do you say
Interesting is a good way to describe it.
Where is oil?
Oil is there, that word. O-I-L. Okay, Yemisi, could you come and put some flour in? We're going to do 3 cups of flour.
Oh, that's good. I get to do the flour.
Well, you are each going to do 1 cup of flour.
Yay!
Gemma, Aiden, and Yemisi. Alright, let's try to get this all in. So what do you think's going to happen when you mix in all the flour?
I don't know. Not now.
You said everybody
gets...
And give it a stir.
My God. I can't wait to... You'll have to clean up.
I will.
We're making something.
What do you think we're making?
Pancake.
Possibly.
It's kind of like cake.
So think about what your predictions are of what this is turning into.
Cake.
It could be.
No, pancake. Yeah, pancake.
All right, Gemma, could you come up?
Pancake mix. Yeah, that's how you make cake.
And thank you for mixing gently, Yamasi.
That's actually how you make cake. Can I do it now? No, I'm good.
You already
do it after.
You already had a turn mixing.
All
right, put that in.
But I didn't get a turn, so I get to do it after. Oh my God!
All right, and give that a stir, a gentle stir, please. And then Aiden, your turn is next.
Oh, it looks like egg mix now. Egg mix. I wonder what we're making. Oh no, now I bet it's pancake. I hope it is. I love it.
All right, Gemma, thank you. Here we're gonna
mix it.
I know it's not all gonna mix right now. And then Aiden, would you like to come? Gemma, you can sit down. Can you wash your hands off?
It smells good. Ooh, that looks like cake.
All right, ready? Hold that over.
Cake mix. Pancake mix. Yeah, pancake mix. Definitely pancake mix. Definitely cake mix. Cake has to have eggs in it.
Thank you, Aiden.
Look at it, don't they have eggs?
All right, and stir very gently. Gemma, you can sit down now. Then you can watch from your seat. You can watch from your seat. Go sit.
Can I smell it? Oh my God, it's so hard. Can I hold the bowl? It's so hard to stir. Is it almost lunchtime?
It is almost lunchtime.
Yay!
Are you thinking you're getting hungry now we're cooking?
Yes. I'm not getting hungry. Oh, she said we're cooking.
Well, we're not going to cook it, but we are
doing making pancakes.
Kitchen ingredients together.
What is it?
All right.
What are we making?
So what happened, Aiden?
What are we making?
So let's listen to Aiden. Aiden, how did it feel when you started mixing it?
Really hard.
Really hard to stir?
It feels soft to me.
Well, what I'd like you to do now, on this bottom part where you have another picture drawing spot, is draw a picture of what you think we're making. You could draw a picture of how it looks right now, and you could draw a picture of what you think it is. Like some people said pancakes, you could draw pancakes. Yes. And I'd like you to write what you think it is to make your scientist predictions. Right? So do your final observations. That's a good guess. So do your final observations by looking at it. And I'm going to pass it around and you can smell it. And so you're going to take your observations.
Smells good.
And think, what do you think it is?
It smells like
dough. Give it a smell, Yamasi?
Oh, it smells like dough.
You smell?
Yeah. I'm making a cake. That's weird. I'll clean up the flour.
Oh no, it's okay. Just leave it there because we'll use it in a minute.
Stuff in this book.
You sit and write.
Ew!
Ew? So Aiden doesn't like how it smells. Sophia does like how it smells.
I like how it smells. It smells like dough. I got some stuff in my pants. S-T-I-N-G-S. What are you doing? That looks like a dough.
One big ball.
That looks like a dough. Ink. I-N-G. I'll get that.
No.
Then
I'll finish it until we're ready.
Right now? No, after the I-N-G.
Are you done with your sheet, Aiden?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I said it looks like we all make a dough.
Alright, so let's go around the circle. Can we sit and quietly share what we think it is? So we're starting with Sophia. What do you think it is, Sophia?
I think it's dough.
You think it's dough? Dough for what?
Dough for pizza.
You think we can make pizza with it? What do you think it is?
Thinking cake.
You think it's cake? What do you think, Yamasi?
Cake then.
You think cake as well? Gemma, what did you think?
Why am I last? I think it's pancake dough.
Okay, and Aiden, what do you think it is?
Pancakes.
So we have 2 pancakes, 2 cakes, and a pizza.
Ooh.
Well, what we made
is dough.
Is Play-Doh.
Yay!